Welcome back to my channel. Wouldn't it be nice if you were the one who will design your own clothes, but wouldn't it be nicer if you will be paid a huge amount of money for designing clothes nowadays? Because of the advent of technology and easy access to knowledge, more and more people are getting into designing their own clothes. The road to success, if you are the type of designer who would want to create pieces that are totally unique, is never more easier. Then you should learn how to design your own clothing first. One of the major considerations in designing your own clothes, the first thing that you need to do is to come up with your own design. You can get various inspirations by conducting research, including different body types and shapes for each dress, materials that can be used, styles that are in trend, cuts that will fit you, colors, and basic sewing information. Before you proceed, it is very important for you to determine your body type in order to know which dress shape would look good on you. If you want to design your own wedding dress, you can do it in two ways: by traditional sketching or using the design your own clothes programs in various sites in the internet. What makes being a fashion designer as one of those 50,000 plus jobs that many young people look forward to is you have to possess the skills needed and having the talent to be unique. Once you have made your creations and came up with your own designs, you can apply for various clothing companies as a designer. Who knows, you just might get lucky. There are other even more powerful forms of making money in your spare time as a passive income you can try today. Please find the link in the description below to learn more. Please click to subscribe if you like this video to be updated when new videos are posted. Thank you for watching.